Hello and welcome to the Siemens Electrification and Automation Global Customer Care Center. Today, we want to show you how to get DIGSI diagnosis files. In DIGSI 5 there are two types of log files available: the DIGSI binary traces and the device diagnosis logs. In this tutorial, we'll guide you seamlessly through the process of retrieval. The DIGSI binary traces, captured continuously, ensure your operations are unceasingly monitored, embodying our commitment to operational excellence and environmental stewardship. Alongside, the device diagnosis logs meticulously archive settings and fault events, underscoring our pursuit of transparency, efficiency, and proactive diagnosis. The binary trace files are located in the path C:\program data. Siemens. Automation. Trace engine. Binary traces. Please save the three files of the folder, binary traces, immediately after executing the workflow to be analyzed, ensuring that your meaningful traces won't be overwritten. As the folder C:\program data is hidden per default, copy and paste the whole path into the command line of the Explorer to open it. Device diagnosis logs are strategically organized within dedicated folders, corresponding seamlessly to each DIGSI version. Eventual error report files can also be found in the respective path of your DIGSI version. Please remember the folder C:\program data is hidden per default. Therefore copy and paste the whole path into the command line of the Explorer to open it. Should you encounter a challenge beyond your expertise, and you seek assistance through our support case system, it is crucial to include all log and trace files when communicating with our support center. This comprehensive approach accelerates our ability to provide targeted solutions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please scan the QR codes to subscribe to our channel. Join us on this journey. There's more pioneering content ahead, crafted to inspire and drive sustainable innovation globally.